for a popular year as well as model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's the real deal. It's a 1968 Chevelle SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. And yes, you can tell by the VIN on this and the data tag that, like I said, it is a true SS 396 car. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power brakes, and let's take a look at this front grille, bumper, headlight, surrounds. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the price of this vehicle and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is originally a C paint code, so it would have been an ermine white car. Has obviously underwent a repaint and does have the red deck stripes, black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. Take your time looking through all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on a torque thrust style wheel, polished, retro brand it appears, with BF Goodrich radials. There's one little touch-up spot here noticed on the side. Make sure I point that out. Let's take a look down the passenger side of the car and I'll go over a few other things that are going to go with this vehicle to its new owner. So you have bucket seats, vinyl, center console, and of course the shifter in said console. Black vinyl top, also nice shape. All right, some of the things that are going to go with this. There is a tack that's going to go with it, new in the box. A few manuals, service manual. These are a couple lenses for the dash, and then of course some extra paint, a jack, a couple miscellaneous things. But yeah, I wanted to point those out. Those will be back in the car and go to its next owner. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation as we take a look at the rear of the car, dual exhaust as you can see. Take a look at the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside also. Originally a California car built out in Fremont, California, where this one was produced at. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. All the still pictures will be, as we look down the driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I don't really notice much for rips, tears, or holes. Just a little bit of wear in the piping, but not bad. Of course, the SS 396 door panels, black carpeting, black vinyl. What the headliner? Headliner looks good. I did have the wipers working. I did not have the radio working. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll also take a look at the engine bay. And you can see this probably why there's another tack with the car. I did notice the clock though, if I remember right. Was the clock? Yeah. Just the second hand going. It appears the other gauge is oil pressure. That was a cold start. So don't expect temp to be up. Fuel gauge, battery, and of course speedometer. Very stock looking dash. Top of it. Door closes nice, doesn't take much to close it either. There you go. Give a little listen to that 396. And again, originally a Chevelle SS, real deal 396 car. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get the hood open. And let's check out the engine bay. Alright, underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. 396. Power brakes. Little Lion intake and Demon 4-barrel carb on there. Good looking engine bay. There's a battery disconnect here too. If you want to disconnect the battery in between drives, or maybe if it's in storage. Good looking engine bay. And also remember, we'll do a little driving video with this, so if you kind of want to get a little virtual ride in this car, so you'd like to see what it's like going down the road, stick around. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396, real deal, 2-door hardtopper sport coupe. 507-386-1726. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, maybe extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1968 Chevy Chevelle. This is a 4-speed on the floor, or the center console, if you will. Tachometer does not move. However, speedometer working well. Battery right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel gauge just under half, and the oil pressure at 3/4 of the gauge, which is good. Our blower motor and wipers do also function on this car. Factory looking bucket seats. They are comfortable. Really great sound to this car, and lots of power in that engine. We're in second now in the roundabout here. Really fun to push that throttle down. Great running 396 in this car. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight in the lane. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevelle at uniqueclassiccars.com.